Hello guys, this video is going to show you how to install the Android emulator. So go to the Android AVD Manager, Android Virtual Device Manager, click it, and then we don't have any virtual device yet, so we just click the Create Virtual Device, and then you can select any the default template from this list. I will select maybe the Pixel. I think Pixel 5 will be good. Alright, and remember that we select the emulator that have the Play Store. So click next. After that, they will ask us to download the system image. So don't download the R, don't download the Q. We just using the Pi for the time being. As I mentioned, the latest version might give you some problem, so we will use the Pi as our main system image. So click download, and then accept. So again, make the process finish and complete. Installation is finished, so just click the finish button, and then haven't finished, we just finished download the system image. So select the system image Pi you have just downloaded, and then click next, and then you can give any name you want. So I'm also won't modify other setting, so we just click finish. And here you're able to see the virtual device is ready for you to run. So let's start the virtual device by clicking this play button. And then again, this is the first time, so it will take some time to set up or rooting. Just let the emulator do their job. Okay, the emulator seems ready, so let's close it. Let's try to run the project inside the emulator. If everything set up is properly, you will be able to see the emulator here, and then you click the run button. So again, because this is your first time to run the project, it's going to take some time. You can see the process is starting with the Creator built-in. So again, let Enter Studio do the job. Alright, after successful run, it will appear your app. Okay, and the emulator is just like any application, any Android device. So you can create it, and then you actually can download some application to install it. For us, sorry, I don't want. We need to find back the application we had just install. It's not here. Home button. First Android app. So let's find the Android app. Okay, here it is. So if you install the application inside the emulator, it will stay inside the emulator. So even you after quit the application, you still can find back the application. So every time you want to run the project, so don't quit the emulator. Okay, if you have anything added, you just click back the run button to run the project. So you can see the install and then run. So second time will be much more faster . And then you want to stop it, you just click the stop button. Okay. You can close the emulator by clicking this close button. You click this button, actually is turn off the emulator, and then you need to click back to turn it on. So if you want to quit, you just close it. And then even though the project, you're still able to see the virtual device, right? So my suggestion is you open the virtual device first, before you click the run button. If you click the run button, the Android system will ask the virtual device to open. When they open the virtual device, that might take a very long time, and then sometimes the error will happen. So the better way is you go back to the AVD manager, you run the virtual device first, make sure the device is running properly, finish all the process, finish all the running, then only you click this run button. So let's see how. Okay, second time will be more faster, as I mentioned. So after this, the Android emulator is ready, then only you click the run button. Alright, so this is how you install the Android Studio, setting up the SDK manager and also the virtual device. By right, you should not have any problem to install the application inside the emulator. If you have any problem, then you need to contact me and refer back to the installation menu. I already give some common problems that might appear during the installation. Especially for the Intel device, you need to enable the virtualization technology inside the BIOS, or you need to enable it inside the Windows 10 setting and so on. But hopefully you won't facing that problem. If you're facing that problem, you can try to solve it by referring the menu. Alright, thank you. Bye bye. See you guys again.